Hi, welcome to the VidTechy YouTube channel. In this video, we will show you how to add or replace audio in your YouTube video. After uploading your video to your channel, go to your account and then to the channel page. To change the audio for a particular video, go to your channel and click on Manage Video. Once you click on Manage Video, you will see all of your uploaded videos. Let's say you want to change the background music for a particular video. Click on that video, then click on Editor. This is the timeline for the video. If you play the video here, you'll hear the background music, but there is no voice. If you want to change the audio, click on Audio. There are many royalty-free music tracks that you can add to your video. You can preview them by clicking on them. If you want to add a particular track, simply click on Add. VidTechy is a one solution for YouTube marketing. Sign up VidTechy for free and takes your YouTube marketing to the next level. Once you click Add, the track will be added to the timeline. You can also add multiple tracks for a single video. For example, if you want to play the video for 1 minute, you can drag the track to the timeline and add multiple audio tracks. Once you have added everything, click on Save. After clicking Save, you need to click it again to save the changes. It will take some time to process, but after a few minutes, your updated video with the new audio will be available on YouTube. So that's how you can add or replace audio in your YouTube videos. I hope you enjoy the video. If you want to see more videos about YouTube marketing, subscribe to our YouTube channel VidTechy. Thanks for watching.